Hello guys! It's Tuesday! So, as usual, brunch na naman tayo. Dahil meron akong pasok ng 1 to 6. And this one is literal na pangatlong araw na pagkain. Niluto ko itong tofu with asparagus last Sunday. So, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Ito na. Huli na to. And then, yung natira kong pritong tilapia, ginawa kong tilapia steak. Ayan siya. And of course, my coffee. Pangalawang cup na to ng coffee ko. Ang sarap. So, thank you Lord for this food. So, that's it. Ayan. First bite tayo. As usual, kamay-kamay. Ubusin ko na talaga tong tilapia na to. Kasi yung malaking tilapia na binili ko sa superstore, parang 600 grams, so more than half kilo, na $7. So, hinati ko siya sa tatlo. So, ito yung pangatlong hati na pinrito ko. So, first bite tayo, guys. Ayan, meron pa siya. First bite daw. Sarap. I hope na okay, Tuesday nyo today. And let's all be grateful every day. So, once again, thank you guys for watching me always.